Kanti esingenile osukwini kubikwa ukuthi loyo ngunobhala jikelele weqembu le-ANC uFikile Mbalula usethule umbiko kwabezindaba mayelana nesinqumo esithathwe lenhlangano ebusayo i-ANC mayelana nodaba lukaMnumzane uJacob Zuma. Lokhu kuzembeni kokuba kube nezinkulumo noma isitatimende esikhishwe ukuthi i-ANC izokwekhipha bonke labantu abangamathatha ababonakala sebekhankasa kwezinye izinhlangano while beseseqembini le-ANC, kanti manje sebesithathile isinqumo ngomnumzane uJacob Zuma ngesenzo sakhe sokuthi abe kwelinye iqembu alikhankaselayo ekuthiwa i-MK while engasulile eqembini le-ANC. Buka lesithi uhle TV siyabingelela, ungakhohlwa ukucofoza subscribe button ukuze siqhubeke sikwethulele zonke ezingenayo. Ungakhohlwa ukucomment and share this link.
That this army was established to advance the political goals of the African National Congress. It implemented what the ANC-NEC instructed it to do. The war against poverty, inequality and unemployment remains the primary objective of our transformation struggle. At this point in the National Democratic Revolution, there is no need to advance this program through the opportunistic use of military symbolism. The challenges of our struggle for a better life for all are difficult and diverse and require honest and dedicated leaders. To suggest that the solutions are easy is dishonest and smacks of populist self-gratification. At its last two national conferences, the ANC vowed to renew itself to more effectively address society's challenges and conduct its affairs in line with its core values. The ANC is committed to developing and, where necessary, correcting its members and leaders. However, as renewal gains momentum, Zuma and others whose conduct is in conflict with our values and principles will find themselves outside the African National Congress. The JZ Party project aims to cast doubt on our entire constitutional democracy. The ANC categorically rejects the dangerous suggestion that our electoral system can and will be manipulated. The Independent Electoral Committee is one of the most trusted public institutions. The entire voting process and counting process is monitored by party agents from all competing parties.